Hello, dear students. Yesterday we discussed about the internal fertilization and external fertilization and the test tube baby. Now there is development of an embryo. What is embryo? It is the mass of undifferentiated cells developed from zygote. It is the mass of undifferentiated cells. Undifferentiated means we don't know. Actually, this is the mass of cells. If this is the mass of cells, like this, we don't know from which part or from where head is present, legs are present, or some other things. That is known as undifferentiated. If you can differentiate head, legs, body, then it is known as differentiated. Embryo is the undifferentiated mass of cells. That means anyone cannot. It is that stage of an individual, developing individual, in which you cannot differentiate different body parts. That is known as embryo. How the embryo develops? When the zygote gets formed, when the zygote is formed, what is zygote? Zygote is a single cell. It gets implanted or fixed in the, it gets fixed in uterus, and starts to develop Then after that, the embryo is formed. Embryo, undifferentiated mass of cells, and now then the fetus. That means some parts are differentiated, and after, in case of humans, after 9 months, the new individual gets birth. That 9 months are known as gestation period. What is gestation period? It is the period in which the embryo gets developed, or the zygote gets developed into the full individual. In case of humans have gestation period of 9 months, like cow. Now in some animals, the development of embryo or the development of the new individual is not direct like that. In humans, the human young one is exact like his parent. That means the young one of humans is exact copy of the parent. That means having 2 legs, having head, nose, eyes, etc. But in case of some animals like frog, that means adult frog, and the young one is different. It is different from the adult, and that different stage is known as, that is known as a larva. What is larva? Actually, it is that stage of the embryo which is totally different from the parent, larva. If you talk about the larva of the frog, it is tadpole. What is the structure of the frog? Or you can say tadpole. Tadpole is having tail, fins, etc. And these types of structures are absent in frog. But it is the young one of frog. Then this young one of frog, that is known as tadpole, having tail, fins, etc. But its parent is not having fins, neither having tail. Then it is totally different from its adult. This young one, which is totally different from his adult, is known as larva. Then after that larval stage, then the another developmental stages occurs, and then the tadpole forms the adult frog. That means it is now the fully developed individual. It is the tadpole is underdeveloped individual. That process is known as metamorphosis. metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is that process by which larva of an animal, it develops into the full adult individual. That processes, in this process, the different these structures get developed in the tadpole, in the larva, so that it looks like to the adult individual, and this process is known as metamorphosis. Therefore, this larval stage, some more insects have larval stage. Frog also is having larval stage. Insects are having larval stages, like silkworm. Silkworm, it is also a larval stage, uh, because it is adult is having wings, but the silkworm does not have wings. And these are different, through different stages, these silkworms or larvae get developed into the individual. That these changes, these processes are categorized in metamorphosis. Metamorphosis are the changes by which the larva develops into the adult individual. Thank you. Have a nice day.